Hello everyone, here is a video on how to factory reset and reuse this, and I'll see if I can get it into the light of this thing. It's a really strange label. It's a Develco, so D-E-V-E-L-C-O product, and the model number is an SPLZB and then hyphen or dash 134 UK IoT smart plug. In my instance, this was provided to me as part of a package, and the hub part of the package has gone wrong, and I want to reuse this natively with my Amazon Alexa or any other Zigbee capable device. However, when you plug it in, it goes into what the manual says is, let me switch it off, there you go. What the manual says is searching for a Zigbee connection to join. However, it will never join in this mode. You can search using the app, the Alexa app, for Zigbee devices or new devices, and it never discovers it. Very difficult to find any information about this plug. It looks like it's like a development kit, and the end user support is probably supposed to be done by the people that provide these devices to the end user. But you can press this, that just switches the mains output on and off. You can also hold this button down, and eventually this light will start flashing twice, and if you let go it just sits there flashing twice, but doesn't seem to still join any networks. So the trick that you have to do here is hold this button down for a very long time, and I'll do it on this video and show you, and then the red light starts flashing very rapidly, and then you let go. This light goes off, it then makes a couple of very quiet click noises, and then starts up again and starts flashing red like this. I will see if I can demonstrate. Add a device, and I typed in Develco, doesn't find anything, and then I just clicked on discover devices or try discovering devices. Click on discover devices, and it's almost not worth waiting the 45 seconds, but it won't discover this smart plug, even though it's in its single flashing once per second red mode. Okay, so no new devices found. As expected, that doesn't work. So what you need to do is hold down this button, and I'll let you know when I'm going to press it, and then I'll also let you know when I'm going to let go. So I'm going to press it now. The button will flash twice in a moment. Well, there's once. Then it will flash twice. And eventually, keep holding down. It will then flash a lot. There we go. And now I'm going to let go. Discover devices again, and let's see whether it manages to find it. There we go. That has now stopped flashing, which means it's joined the Zigbee network. We do have to wait the full 45 seconds for the Alexa app to finally finish its scan and show that it's added a new device. There we go, one new plug found and connected. So go to plugs. and press power on, and press power again, off. There we go. That is how you factory reset and reuse or rejoin one of these smart plugs to a new Zigbee network. Hopefully this video has been helpful to you. If it has, it would be really helpful to me if you wouldn't mind subscribing to my YouTube channel. You don't need to have the video notifications switched on, but the subscriber numbers really do help. Thank you very much. And just before I go, this is the hub that has gone wrong, that was in use. But instead of using that hub, it's now connected directly to the Alexa system. Brilliant.